Step 1. Pull the aluminum foil from the decoiler's rubber rollers. Guide it through the oil tank and felt and feed it into the die. Position the end of the foil at the edge of the pierce punching station. Step 2. After the slider descends to its bottom position, perform the first punching operation. The first punching stroke is then completed. Step 3. Raise the slider, and the initial fin shape becomes visible. Manually hook the punched holes onto the pins, then the slider again to complete the second punching operation. Lift the positioning pins on the Paris punching station. Manually hook the punched holes onto the pins, then the slider again to complete the second punching operation. Repeat the above steps until the aluminum foil reaches the feeding mechanism, completing the initial feeding process. Close the positioning pin of the pierce punching station. Cover the felt properly. Close the oil tank cover. Next, we can proceed with normal production. This is the button and switch on the control cabinet of RH-type press. They mainly include the power switch, the main motor start, the main motor stop, reset, main motor speed and suction fan speed, and the emergency stop. When the motor needs to be started, you can press the main motor start button to make the motor run. To stop the machine, press the main motor stop button. If a fault occurs and a reset is required, press the reset button. If the punching speed is too fast or too slow, you can adjust the speed knob. The airflow of the suction fan can also be adjusted via its knob. Let me explain some functions that customers mostly use. The first function is fin type setting. This is where the customer inputs the fin specifications they need. For example, how many holes need to be punched. These can all be set here. You can modify the hole quantity, the feed step number, modify the serial number, and change the fin model name. The second one is the auxiliary settings. Here you can adjust the lubrication time, the lubrication interval, the decoiler release time, and the stacker fin blocking time. The third one is the die lubrication time. Typically it is set as lubricate once every 5 punches. Each lubrication lasts 200 milliseconds. Fourth, customers commonly check the speed settings. They monitor the current punching speed and the inverter frequency of suction fan. This is the main lubrication pump of the press. It mainly supplies oil to the main shaft and the slider. It uses number 0 lithium-based grease. There is a distributor oil sensor at the top of the press. It mainly checks whether the oil tank still has sufficient oil. If the tank runs out of oil, the sensor will trigger an alarm. This hand pump lubricates the balance cylinder on both sides of the slider before starting work each day. When preparing to run the press, just press it once or twice. This is the fin punch oil tank. Usually, our presses are equipped with 2 of these. One is placed on each side of the die changing cart. It mainly lubricates the pierce punch to prevent wear caused by lack of oil during long operation. This electric oil tank is used to lubricate the mold gid. This prevents the guideposts from wearing out during long-term operation.